Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get keys in Voez. Keys are super important for unlocking all the amazing songs and content the game has to offer. The most straightforward way to earn them is by simply playing songs. As you complete tracks, you'll gain experience points, which contribute to your player level. Every time you level up, the game generously rewards you with one free key, so keep playing your favorite tunes. Beyond leveling up, there are other consistent ways to boost your key collection. Make sure to log into Voez every single day. The game offers daily login bonuses, and these often include valuable keys. Additionally, you'll find a variety of daily missions and challenges available. Completing these tasks is a fantastic way to earn even more keys, so always check your mission tab for new objectives. Voez frequently hosts exciting in-game events, and these are excellent opportunities to earn a significant number of keys. Always keep an eye on the event announcements and participate in any challenges that offer keys as rewards. For those who want to accelerate their progress, keys can also be purchased directly from the in-game store. You can buy key packs, offering various amounts to quickly unlock new songs. To maximize your key acquisition, focus on playing songs efficiently to level up quickly. Make it a habit to check for new daily missions and participate in every event that offers keys. Remember, keys are a valuable resource, so use them wisely to unlock the songs that excite you most. With these strategies, you'll be unlocking new content in Voez in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.